alone of the night if I'm not with you. When I'm feeling right, my girl, my body's calling. Hey, go to you. Am I supposed to?
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. If you're new here, today I'm going to be discussing my skincare routine in detail. In the video, you're going to see me do the full out routine, and then I'm going to go into detail as far as the products that I use. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then keep watching. Okay, so as you saw, my daily skincare routine is actually pretty simple. In the beginning of the video, you saw me clean my face with the alcohol pad to remove dirt and excess oil that I may have had on my face for the day. Secondly, I used a steaming washcloth. Like, I drenched it in hot water, as hot as I can get it. And I opened up the pores on my face so that my facial cleanser can get inside my pores and, you know, do its thing. And then third, I took the Cetaphil facial cleanser and I cleaned my face with it. Now, what you will notice is I do not use a facial brush. I used to have one, but I don't know what it was, but my skin reacted to the facial brush. I cleaned the facial brush all the time, right after each use, but it was something about it that made my skin break out as if I was putting on makeup. You're gonna understand what I'm talking about by the end of this video, but I had to stop using the facial brush, so I like to use my hands to clean my face and get in there. Like, I feel like your hands is the best tool that you can use to clean your face. The fourth step would be the actual scrub. I like to use the Neutrogena Power Clear Scrub. I think that's the name of it. I always get this one. I do not stay away from this scrub. It is the only one that I like to use. Besides trying new products, this one is my staple product that I like to use. I like to, it don't have any, it has beads in it, you know, the little grainy beads, but it don't have much. So I like to go ahead and lather my face with it really good. Make sure, you know, I'm exfoliating my skin very well. After applying the exfoliant, I like to go ahead and use the witch hazel as a toner. Witch hazel is really good with oily skin. I don't know, I just feel like I'm doing something right when I use it. I go ahead and I take that, as you saw in the video, I take that and I wipe my face with it. Honestly, it's really refreshing. Witch hazel is so light to me, it's airy, and sometimes I stop there because the witch hazel doesn't really leave my face dry. But if I'm feeling like, you know, in the mood and wanting to moisturize my face, I go ahead to the next step, which is either apply coconut oil, or I would apply the moisturizing Cetaphil facial lotion. I really don't use that much of it, but I use it so that I can have some moisture. Today in the video, I used the coconut oil instead. I followed up with that with my Jade Roller. I like to use that here and there when I think about it. I keep it in the freezer. It's been said that the Jade Roller tightens the skin, it stimulates circulation, boosts the detoxification process, provides gentle toning and lifting. So I like to think that it, you know, it keeps my face tight and do all that other stuff. But there's even more. If you want, you can do your own personal research on the Jade Roller, but it really comes in handy. Like I said, I keep it in the freezer. It's made out of stone, so it naturally stays cool, but I like to put it in the freezer so that when I do apply it to my face, it makes it even firmer. When I do like facial masks, I like to have it warm versus cold, but we'll get into that later. Okay, so like I said, that was my simple daily facial routine. However, I do have other products that I use not so daily. I actually use them for spa days. Spa days are a time where I like to get fancy and use like expensive products. I like to say expensive products, but honestly, I keep it affordable because I mainly use simple products. That's the key. Simple products, and use them all the time. Like, use your daily, and then for spa days, use your simple products. And simple size, they tend to last long, and they give you a chance to incorporate new things into your routine if you end up liking the product. Just like my last video that I done for the Goop Glow, I reviewed some products and I felt like I was getting a treat. If you want to, you can check out that video. I'll upload it in the top. I also want to mention some major keys here. So one major key would be, I like to drink water to keep clear skin. I know not too many people like water. I don't see how they can, but water is good for you, so you should drink it, and it really helps your skin. Another thing that I drink is green tea. Green tea is actually good for your skin. So even though we're doing all this stuff on the outside, it's good to have something on the inside that's working to help keep your skin glowy and supple and pretty. Another thing that I like to do is, anytime that I feel greasy, I will clean my face. You don't have to sit there looking greasy, feeling like your skin cannot breathe. Like, I hate that. So anytime that I feel like that's what's happening. If I've been out all day and I feel like my pores are just clogged with the day and oil and whatever may be in the air, I come home and I either, one, go ahead and do my skincare routine. Two, I will use the witch hazel. And three, I would take a paper napkin. Like if I'm not home and I'm out, I would take a paper napkin and just dab my face, get that excess oil off my face. And I feel like that really helps with keeping my skin breathable. Like your skin is an organ, like it's the biggest organ on your body. So you want to make sure you're doing everything that you can to let it breathe and do what it do. Okay, so another major key would be, like I said, listening to your skin. I know it sounds crazy, but it's very important that you listen to your skin. Like, don't just get stuck in a routine because you feel like, oh, I need to do this every single day. No, you don't have to do it every day. You don't have to do a routine every day. You can do part of it. You can choose not to do it at all, but just listen to your skin. If your skin says, no, I don't need any more oil, I'm already oily, or I can't breathe, or you put too much product, listen to it. Take some stuff off. You can tell when your pores are clogged. You can tell when you need to take something off. Recently, I worn makeup, and it's really, I don't know if you guys can tell, but my face said no. You ain't been wearing makeup, don't be wearing makeup now. So I am dealing with it. I hate touching my face, by the way, but I feel the little bumps from wearing makeup. So I'm not gonna be wearing makeup anytime soon in these videos. Sorry you guys, my phone ran out of storage. But what I was saying was, I rarely wear makeup. In a lot of my videos, you can look back at them, I'm barely wearing makeup. When I do wear it, I don't put on much. And when I'm not wearing it, like, you just see me barefaced. I love to be without makeup. I do understand, like, when you're on YouTube, you want to show up for YouTube and you want to look presentable, and sometimes, you know, makeup helps with that, but I really prefer to be barefaced. I wish I can come up here every single time barefaced, but in some of my videos I want to look, you know, I want to bring it. When I do wear makeup, I remove it with coconut oil. Coconut oil is my best friend. And I also use Neutrogena wipes as well to remove my makeup when I'm really not feeling like using the coconut oil. So yeah, that's the end of this video. That's the end of me explaining my skincare routine. I'm gonna come back and probably do a spa day routine. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. I hope you guys are enjoying this content. I really appreciate you for watching this far. It really means a lot to me that you're here and you're coming back and, you know, viewing my content and helping me out on YouTube, because when you do view the video and when you watch it full and you make it to the end, that really helps me out. So I really appreciate you guys for coming back like you do.
For you,
for me,
each day. And I will always love you. Girl, I will always